I don't think wealth and genetics have anything to do with each other, actually. Um, if you're born in the U.S., it really doesn't matter the condition of your birth. What matters is what you inherit from your nurturing, from your environment, whether or not you're going. If you, I mean, I'm just from the standpoint of having been born with little. Here, you can always get out.
Hey, how you guys doing out there today? Thank y'all for getting to this video. In this video, I want to show you exactly how I go about posting an ad online and making some money off of it. Real proof, real time. I'm just going to show you. So I'm going to go back to an ad I posted back on the 25th. I posted an ad on the 25th at 6:57 p.m. It just says if you have the internet and a Facebook account with 3 friends, you can earn $250 from this new program. Want details? Comment info below. And you know, in the video, you see what's going on. And you know, people liking it, sharing it, and I have a lot of comments. People wanting information about it. So that's all I do. I posted it and just got a lot of people commenting it. Comment info, info. And so what I'll do, I just come down to the person just like this 6 minutes ago. And you see, I posted this on the 25th. It's the 29th. People are still asking for the information. So what I'll do, I'll just click on this person right here, go to their inbox, messenger. If I haven't said nothing to them in the past, this is what I'll do. I usually the wave button come up. Well, I usually hit the wave button and I just send my copy and paste script. It just say, okay, here's my website. There go my website. Y'all know I teach Google URLs, but it just say, make sure you watch my video and contact me back if you have any questions or when you ready to get started. Bam. Send that to that person, and then I actually just come back over here to that ad where he commented on. So I'll come right here and I'll love his status, and then I'll put something simple like, I just sent you the info. I just sent you the info. That's it. So I let him know that it's in his inbox waiting on him. So the I just show you what that link, that Google URL that I sent as my website, it goes to a page just like this. This is called a capture page, where it's just me just introducing what you finna get yourself into basically, and I just tell you just to enter your name and email address, because I want to continue following up with you just in case if you didn't want to get started today. So once they go to there, they'll actually get redirected to a website just like this. Once they put in their name and email, they'll get to a website just like this. It's one of my same videos that I made, and it just let you know, our reps are making $5,000 to $2,000 weekly. And once they look at the video, they just come right here and just click the link, and I just send them the training once they text me. So that's basically exactly what I do. I post the ad, I send them the information when they want it. They come to a capture page like this, and they get to a website just like this. And at the end of the day, I posted this ad 4 days ago on the 25th. As you see, I posted this ad on the 25th, and you see on the 25th, people start signing up. So that's $80 per person. I have 3 people, so I've made so far $260. Is that right? What's 80 times 3? 80 times 3. I'm tripping. 80 times 3 is 240. Yeah, 240. And look what the status say. If you have internet access with 3 friends, you can make 240 from this app. And I made 240 from it in like 2 days since I posted. And the ad's still going. It's the knife. We're 4 days in, and people are still commenting 10 minutes ago, an hour ago, 12 hours, people are still commenting. And that's exactly how I go about doing it. So if you want to learn how I'm posting these ads, making, a couple of $100 every week, only thing you have to do is just hit the link below, check out the information. It's free information. Not going to charge you anything to check it out. And just go ahead and get started. Do something for you. So, and once you get started, let me know. Send me a text message. So I can get you all the training and go ahead and get you started making some money posting ads online. So if you find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Alright? Peace.
This mechanism, lying buried for years beneath a Hebridean beach with the sea washing indifferently over it. How it got there, more vital